101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program, Smart Up Your Life English Education with English Community, of course. And this evening, of course, I'm not alone here. We have friends from views communities of Makassar or Sulawesi. And okay, let's talk to them. Hi, guys. How are you? Good, good, great. Okay, it's rainy, right? But you guys, of course, very, great, right? Okay, yeah. Before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we would like to introduce one by one our friends from views communities of Makassar. Okay, I start from you, bro. Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your meeting club? What about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you. My name is Gazan Zakiri. You can call me Gaza.
Hi, Gaza.
Yeah, I am from Bicara community, and we have class on Friday. Yeah, in Samata. Thank
you. How many times in a week?
For now, just once in a week. For now.
Okay. Yeah. So, Bicara is polyglot, right?
Yeah, polyglot. We have like Arabic, Japanese, Korean, and Mandarin class.
Wow.
So anyone who want to learn with us, come to us.
Okay. So for more detailed information about Mabicara, could you mention the Instagram account,
sure,
please?
At Mabicara_community. You can check our activities right there. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Welcome. Okay. What about you? Please, bro, could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your meeting club and what about the schedule?
Hi, my name is Nasrullah. Usually my friend call me Anas.
Hi, Anas.
Hello. My community is PMEC, but you usually call him PMEC, but what's that called again?
What stand for PMEC?
Poltek Para Community English Makassar.
Okay.
Kind of like that. Our class is once a week, same like that guy, bro.
Okay.
It's a Saturday.
What how to say the time?
Oh, the time.
Yes.
The time is 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Yeah.
Okay, 2
a.m. until 2 p.m.
Okay. So for more detailed information about your meeting club, PMEC, could you mention the Instagram account to smart viewers and listeners at home?
Okay. Our Instagram is PMEC. It's basically PMEC. You can check it in there.
Okay.
Our Instagram.
Thank you, Anas. Okay, you, the black one. Okay, what about you? Please.
Hello everyone, my name is Naila.
Hi, Naila.
From English Youth Community, or commonly known as EUC. In EUC, we not only learn English, but we also teach English. So one of our program is free meeting, which is we could learn about English. It's open for public. It's usually twice a month.
Twice a month. What days?
It's not really scheduled. Usually depend on the availability of the speaker.
Okay.
So
for more detailed information, could you mention your Instagram account, your community, please?
It's English_Youth Community.
Okay. Thank you, Naila. Next. The yellow one.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
I'm Rara Aryani.
Hi, Rara.
Yeah. You may call me Rara. I'm from Max Communities. So we conduct meeting every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m.
3 times in a
three
week.
times a week.
So for detailed information about Max, maybe you can mention the Instagram account.
Yeah, you can find us if you search Max Almarkas. So don't forget to follow, guys.
Okay, thank you, Rara. Rara. Okay, that's guys, our friends from a few communities of Sulawesi or Makassar, and of course we will talking about our topic for this evening, talking about civilization, human being, from time to time, from era to era, from year, from century to century. Of course, always advance. And this era is digitalization era. But of course, in every country, in every place, in all of the world, they work hard. the society, the peoples, the nationality, the nation, they work hard to be advanced country. And behind of advanced country, third world country, there is a community, there is a colleague people that they are, of course, not only work hard, but they have a mindset that's we call growth mindset. That's why our topic for this evening is growth mindset. Give it a plus for us. Yes, are you ready, guys? Ready. Okay, my first question, of course, I start from Gaza. Okay, Gaza, what is your reaction about our topic for this evening?
Okay, for my reaction, actually, it's very interesting topic. Why?
Mhm.
Because growth mindset, we can talk about lot of things. Because mindset is just like a muscle. We can train it every day. We can change. We can make something better from the growth mindset. So it can be more up our capabilities. We can try to speed up or like power up our level to
Mhm.
thinking about something. So I think we can discuss about point of view of growth mindset. Maybe we have our same vision or thinking about growth mindset. I think we need. For me itself, I need new insight about growth mindset because it's getting grow, right? So we need to talk about this topic. It's gonna interesting. So that's why I really interest in this topic because it's really good for me.
Okay, I like your spirit. Thank you,
Thank you.
guys. Okay, keep your statement. Okay, I move to you, Anas. What is your reaction about our topic for this evening?
Well, the first time I hear it, this okay. I think it's not that really on to me.
Uh-huh.
I mean, it's okay. I understand that we always grow our mindset
Mm-hmm.
every day. Even
Mhm.
when we were a child, we
Okay.
still don't understand anything or maybe about child things. But
Mhm.
when we grow, when we adult, we more understand. Oh, this kind of thing or this kind of that
Mhm.
about that things. But I think happiness we cannot find. I always say how I say it. We cannot really find happiness if we keep growing our mindset. I think
Mhm.
we can stop and the what's that called? We can stop.
Yeah.
What's that called again?
Do not hesitate to put bahasa when you have a problem too.
Sebentar. How
Mhm.
call sebentar?
Yeah, just say like
Kinda things
sebentar
like
and
that.
continue with English.
Yeah,
Okay.
but yeah, we can stop a little
Mhm.
bit, but yeah, we can grow again. But
Okay.
you don't need to keep growing.
Uh-huh.
We need to have.
Okay, so you think this is a common but urgent things for ours, right? Okay, thank you, and skip your statement. Okay, what about you, Naila? What is your reaction about our topic for this evening?
Well, to me, it's quite interesting because it is like the beginning of the year, which
Oh.
is usually a lot of people want
Happy
to.
New Year!
Yeah, Happy New Year. So it is beginning of the year, and most people always try to have like New Year's resolution.
yeah,
And
yeah.
to me, that's one of the what is it kinds of growing,
Mhm.
which is also part of growing mindset.
So this is also related with expectation or resolution, right?
Yeah, it's resolution
Uh-uh.
and goals that you want to achieve this year to improve yourself or to grow yourself. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Naila. Nice. Okay, what about you, the yellow one? Rara. Rara, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your reaction about our topic for this evening?
Well, I think when I first heard that our topic about growth mindset, I think it's very interesting. Like I feel like I will learn a lot from all the speakers. Like
yes.
growth mindset. It's a like important topic, but some people doesn't realize that.
Ignore?
Yeah,
maybe?
not ignore, but
doesn't realize it.
yeah,
Okay.
realize it like how
Uh-huh.
important growth mindset can be, like how big the impact they can give us when we have this kind of a mindset.
But they do or not, but they don't realize about what
Yeah,
mindset,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Like some people still have a fixed mindset, like, so they don't.
So after
know
this, we
the
will
existence-
campaign about
yeah.
ground mindset. We have to put socialization. Oh my god. Okay, pursuit to Gen Z, right? To be ground mindset. Okay, thank you, Rara. Keep your statement. Okay, I would like to move to the second question. So, yeah, this is about personal production words about growth mindset itself. Okay, I start from you, Naila. trying to be put your original definition about growth mindset. What is growth mindset actually on your perspective?
Well, to me, growth mindset is uh, a belief that you can keep growing. That you are not fixed. You are, what is it? You can keep changing and you can keep learning and to better yourself. You don't believe that it's just me. I cannot do that. But it's always to try hard, improve yourself and better yourself with learning and experience. Yeah.
Okay, so it's come from there is no limitation actually,
Yeah.
right?
Belief. Yeah.
Belief,
Yeah.
belief,
Yeah.
and believe. Okay, what about you, Rara? What is your originality words about the perspective about the definition about growth mindset itself?
Well, for me, I guess I think growth mindset is a mindset that someone have that like intelligent
Yeah.
or their potential it's unlimited. Like it will keep growing, like our sister said before.
Mm-hmm.
Like nothing stuck in this world. Like it can be better if we keep trying.
Mm-hmm.
I think so.
For the better, better, and better.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Rara. Okay, Anes, what is your original perspective or opinion about growth mindset itself?
Well, for me is we all know that grow mindset is about grow our things, grow our mindset.
Yeah.
But yeah, understand that. And it's unlimited, of course.
Mhm.
There's so much knowledge in the world that we can search, we can learn,
Mhm.
and be more productive or something else.
Mhm.
We can do that. I possibly understand that thing, but for me is about growing mindset is about finding happiness.
Mhm.
Finding happiness is about important things. All people find happiness.
Yeah.
Even some people think about, oh, we should grow our mindset to be happiness, of course.
Mhm.
But to me, it's about grow happiness is grow our mindset to think better and more kind to other people and
Mhm.
more humility,
Okay.
more human.
Okay.
We understand.
So
to all things.
our growth mindset is everything about grow. One of the growth thing is like your happiness. Your
course.
happiness also like you have to put your happiness if you want to grow, something like
Of
that.
course.
Right? Okay, thank you, Anas. What about you, Geza? Your originality words, production words about the perspective growth mindset itself.
Okay, for my perspective itself, grow mindset just like it's what make us as a human being. We can think about anything. We can do anything.
Mm-hmm.
So the important thing is like we can do better than before.
Yeah.
Like we can always grow about what we do before.
Mhm.
So I think people don't have any limitation about to think about something.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be helpful if we try to discuss about what kind of grow mindset we need to be a better human. So
Okay.
I think we can make in every aspect for the mindset itself,
Mhm.
like learning, teaching, anything.
Yeah.
It really need to us, especially for we are as a young man. We
You're
can
right.
make a better generation with a grow mindset. So I think we have to make a good mindset, positive mindset to grow this era, especially for us as millennial maybe. So I
Okay.
think we can get a lot of collaboration for the mindset itself. So it's just all about collaboration with ourselves and with other people. Thank you.
Okay, I see. Okay, we move to the third question, guys. Okay, could you guys give the sample, the concrete one? Which one is include growth mindset? I mean, like the concrete case. Which one is the growth mindset? Because we are ready to speak explain about the definition, about your reaction, about the like describes, right? But which one is the concrete one that we call growth? Right? Do you get the point?
Yeah.
Okay, who's gonna be the first speaker to want to answer my question? You? You? Okay. Yeah. Which one is the concrete that we call growth mindset? Which one?
I think this example of my experience.
Yeah. Okay.
when I was, I don't know, well, high school, I'm not thinking about this even. What I'm thinking is just about growing. I wanna be more famous or wanna be rich, kind of things
Okay.
like that.
Uh-huh.
But after that, when I is college, I get in my age 20.
Okay.
I understand that growth mindset is about, critical thinking, about you see reality, kind of things like that. And also, what we see right now in the right now is all people wanna be really grow things, wanna
Could you
productive.
put the concrete one? Which case? What case?
Uh,
From what to what? Like that.
It's like my experience before. When I was high school, I don't think about critical thinking. I don't want to see reality in the world. When I
Okay.
in that age, I understand that, but about the critical thinking, we need to thinking about not just take it
Okay.
and not thinking about it.
So one of the sample of growth mindset is critical thinking, because if we have a critical thinking, we can separate, we can filter, we can analyze something to do best, to do maximal what we can do, something like that, right?
Yeah, that's what I
Okay,
think.
thank you. Okay, I catch your point. Okay, what about you, Naila? What is the concrete one that we call growth mindset?
Well, to me as a student, it's really one of the best example, since I'm a student, and it's also have a good indicator that we improve is grades.
Okay.
So a lot of people, if they're like have bad grades, they usually study and they look up how to study more effectively and how to make it more fun, how make it stay in their mind, they don't forget it. And it's really easy to see the difference after they actually improve themselves, like their grades become better and they also feel better about themselves, they have more confidence.
Like evaluation system thinking,
Yeah,
something like
yeah.
that, because if we put the evaluation, of course we'll be better,
Yes,
after
it's
that,
really
right?
easy to see the difference
like before and after.
yeah, before and after. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
Thank
it,
you.
yeah.
Okay, what about you, Rara? Which one is the concrete one that we call growth mindset?
I think like the most concrete one is like how we face our failure. For example, like our exam, like we failed our exam. Some people might think, oh, I failed. It's understandable because I'm bad at this subject. But you can, if you have a growth mindset, you will have a mindset that, oh, I will do better in the next exam. It's just, I just need to put more effort in this subject. Like I need to learn more until I understand and get the grade that I want.
Okay, so like learn from experience.
Yeah.
Because experience is our best teacher.
Yeah,
something
that's
like that,
right.
and make a progress.
Yeah. Like
Okay,
the
trial.
process is the most important for people that have
Yeah.
growth mindset.
It seems little bit similar with evaluation, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, you get the point. All of them. I like giving applause. Okay. What about you, Gaza? Which one is the concrete one that we call growth mindset?
Yeah, actually similar with anyone, but especially for my case itself, when I was working in the company, I got some like a problem. We just thinking about the solution, just not focus on the problem. So
Okay.
the kind of impact of growth mindset is just like the progress of how we solve problem. It's just like problem solving. So
Okay.
anyone can be like a problem solver if they think about the solution, just focus about the solution.
Okay.
There are so many way we can try to solve the problem if we have a growth mindset, if we have a good mindset. So I think it's just like for me, case is like problem solving at my company. When we have a problem, we just focus on the problem, not only focus on the solution, not in the problem. So like that.
Yeah. So one of the concrete one of growth mindset is to be problem solver. Right? Okay. It's good, guys. Okay, you get a point. Very well. I like it. Okay. So my next question, guys. How do you think about the people who actually doesn't realize or not realize about their potential, but actually they have potential to grow? But how do you think about the people like that? Yeah, who's gonna be the first? Who's getting me? Do you get a point? You guess okay. How do you think about the people who doesn't realize about their potential?
Okay, it's happened maybe in my environment. I don't know, in my circle, or I have a friend like they don't think about their potential, right?
Yeah.
It because why? Because they just don't think about further about the problem itself, about the solution. So the solution for me, just like sometimes I just ask them to discuss about the problem itself. What is your problem? Maybe we have a solution, because you have a potential, but you don't use it because you don't know it. Why we don't know it? Because we don't find out, we don't search about the solution in around us. So I think just like about for me itself, we need to discuss to know about our potential, because everyone has their own potential. It depends on us how we can make the potential to be a good result. So it depends on us. Like maybe we need someone to discuss. Maybe we need someone to share about our experience, about our problem. Because what we need is just like people to discuss. So I think we can make people who don't really have know about their
So
potential.
everybody
Yeah.
have to or must be find
Find-
their
Yeah,
potential to be growth,
Route,
right?
of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, nice. What about you, Rara? Do you get a point?
Yeah. Well, for some people that they don't
How do you think
have,
about them?
yeah, it's I think some people, a lot of people actually underestimate
Like
their
some people something like
yeah, a
No,
lot of
kidding,
people,
kidding,
yeah.
kidding.
Like a lot of people underestimate like what they can do. So they tend to lose a lot of chance to grow. Like they for example, they have a chance like opportunity. They afraid they will be failed or they will be masked. So they like lose the opportunity because they're ketakutan to because like for some people for example like in the past we achieve a lot of things and that
like
will
trauma, you mean?
what
It seems like a trauma.
no achievement
Okay,
like
okay.
they have a lot of achievements so
uh-huh.
they tend to like they don't like they rare to feel like lose or hard from
Yeah, at least.
failure at something, so they afraid to change or take the opportunity that come to them, so it will become obstacle for them to grow because they're how to say ketakutan.
Yeah, like
Because of their fear
yes,
to fail.
Yes.
S-
So
yeah.
unfortunately, for the people who doesn't realize the potential,
Yeah.
and so you have to campaign after this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? Do you get the point, right?
Yeah,
Okay, please
our
answer.
two speakers actually made a really good points. Like,
Mhm.
you have to expose yourself.
Mhm.
Don't be just keep on one things.
Expose
Yeah.
ourselves to be catwalk on the runaway.
No, no, that's not what I mean. I mean like keep looking for your potential for growth.
Okay.
Like challenge yourself to new things, and also with Rara tadi is don't be afraid of failure because it also will limit your potential to grow. And for me, one of the key things to keep a growth mindset is keep exposing yourself to new things, because you don't know what kind of things that you can do, because you don't know, because all of the great people in this world is they don't know immediately that they're good at something. They always spend a lot of time to improve themselves and also discover.
Okay.
Because they're not afraid of failure.
Show yourself, show your talent, guys. Okay,
Yeah.
keep your statement. We will be right back after this 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, giving applause for us. Okay. Yeah, how are you for this segment, guys? How are you? Okay. I move to you. Still the same question. What do you think about the people who doesn't realize their potential?
Let's agree. We agree that growth mindset is important. All of us can agree with that. But for people who doesn't realize or doesn't think that growth mindset is not that really important, to me it's okay. You know, Why? Because
It's a
do you-
prize,
do
in
you-
opinion.
do you ever guys see people that in the pedalaman
Remote area.
they
Yes.
they don't wanna grow, they don't wanna be like other people that advance, they wanna be still like that, and they're still happy about that, even though they're still stuck in there. Don't grow their mindset, don't think about our world, knowledge about our things, our all our technology, but
Yeah.
they're still in there. So yeah, it's okay, I think, for other people.
So,
So-
this is not big issue for the some peoples, especially for the remote areas.
Yeah, I think so.
Right.
I mean, we don't need to grow so much our mindset to live and happy in this world, I think.
Maybe we have to grow like just put our mind and we can how to say suddenly being in America, just just close your eyes and suddenly you being in Australia, something like that. Oh my God, this is a super technology.
Yeah, true.
Okay, thank you. Okay, let's now for the next question. Let's we put opposite. Do you get my point? Let's we put opposite. Okay, the question is, what do you think about the people who realize their potential? Yeah, because I said let's we put, right? The opposite. Okay, I start from Naila. How do you think about the people who realize?
People who realize their potential.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So to me, that's really great because when you see on the TV, they usually athletes. To
Mhm.
me, there are the what is it? The contoh.
Not only athlete, but we
Yeah.
are also here because we are
Yeah,
part of
actually,
yeah,
all of
yeah.
us, all of us here have growth mindset because
Yes.
this is a podcast about that, right?
Yes. Narcissist, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, to me, it's always so great to see people that realize their potential, and also people that was help other people to realize their potential. To me, they also need to get the spotlight because to me, people like that are so wow, gitu.
Asik. Gitu.
Wow, like that.
Yeah,
And
how you like that?
Yeah. And yeah, to me, it's always so good, so great to see people that realize their potential and help other people to realize their potential. Yeah.
Okay, like a brand, blah blah blah. It's so good. Kidding. Okay, what about you, Rara? Yeah, the opposite. How do you think of the people who realize their potential?
Well, one thing that we should underline that people with growth mindset, some people still don't like really fully know their potential because some people still search their potential, right? Like they still grow, like they still struggle to find their potential. But for some people that already know their potential, I think that's like a great change for them, like great chance for them. Like not everyone find their potential yet, but once we found our potential, I think that people will be a really great people in the future. Like everything they want, they can achieve because they believe in their self. Because it's really important for us to believe
Question.
in ourselves.
Are you really now know your strengths?
For now, not yet, but I'm still one who looking for my potential.
Still.
Like yeah.
Okay, but half of them are used.
Like-
I mean, like, have found.
We tried new things, like don't be afraid to try new things. Like we should go out from our comfort zone. Like oh, maybe I'm not really, it's maybe not really suitable for me. I need to looking for another things that I like or I'm good at it or stuff like
They
that.
have to tertatih-tatih.
Yeah. We need to try everything, like everything. Try it. Just
Okay.
try it.
Just
Yeah.
try. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Anas? How do you think about the people who realize this is the opposite case?
Yeah, I mean, of course, good. When we understand that, we know we grow mindset is pretty good. We know our potential. We can still grow. All the things that is so much that we can learn about it. We can understand about it. And now, when I was understand my potential, of course,
Mhm.
I more understand that, oh, I want to live like this, I want to be like that, I want to be like that, I want to be kind of when I learn, kind of
Mm.
things like that.
Oh yeah. Okay, nice. Okay, what about you, guys? The opposite things.
Okay, for me it's a good thing because maybe we can say example in anyone like a content creator, like
Oh,
they can
yeah.
do something better.
To
They-
you. Oh yeah. Yes, I do.
yeah, I mean, they know how to hook people. Like it can
Mhm.
increase the mindset. So it's all about how we create our mindset. Like for me itself, I got my potential maybe in the past year. Like, oh, I can do this. I mean, this is my passion. I think I can grow my mindset at this. I mean, I realize it.
And
not-
you see, to our country, Indonesia, we did it.
yeah, we did it. Maybe I need to improve my mindset itself.
Mhm.
I need to grow, increase at global scale. Maybe it's
Oh,
like
wow.
that. I
Yeah.
mean, why not? We have to put our mindset more better, more bigger, more higher, like
Oh, yeah.
like before, because that's how people make a progress. Like they can do better than before. So
Mhm.
I think our potential is really big. If we find our what we like to do, our
It's
passion.
bigger, right?
Bigger and bigger.
Mm.
So I think find your potential, guys. It really help for your future.
Okay, I like your awareness about this. Yeah. Okay. My next question. As a young generation, how can you influence people around you? Start from Rara. As a young generation, how can you influence people around you to be growth mindset?
To have a growth mindset.
Yes.
Well, maybe like I said before, I will told them to figuring out what actually what they like, or
Yeah.
to find their potential with tried and new things. Like you should like consider life as a journey to like to be a better person, like place to learn and get a lot new things, learn a lot of new things, like maybe stuff like that. Like
Start
need
from
to-
yourself.
yeah,
And be inspiring. Like you show, like, this is me. You may follow my.
no. I want maybe if I want like that, I will just tell them to
Don't you want
watch
to
like
expose
YouTube, like
yourself?
self-improvement book. I will recommend them like what
Because you know some people is self-centered.
yeah, some people self-centered, but
Yeah.
that's not that's not
When
me.
when I say self-centered, you're just like, oh my god, I'm speechless.
yeah.
So
So yeah, just try to learn a lot of new things until you find your potential.
and don't
like,
forget trying to drink vitamin C.
yeah, vitamin C. That's important to stay healthy. Like even if you find your potential, but you're sick.
But don't mention the brand, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, health
Okay.
is important, guys.
Yes. Okay. What about you guys? Okay. As a young generation, how can you influence your people around you to be growth mindset?
As simple like be a good example. Like I just do a good things. Like maybe I can try to develop myself. So maybe my netizens will follow my account.
My followers, my netizen.
Actually, I just give them a good positive thing about what I share in
Yeah.
social media, so it
Right.
can influence the people. Like I always share about my class and community, like what we do, what we have, what is our achievement. That's how we influence the people. Like I just show the result, even though they don't know about my progress, but at least I can show my result, and maybe it can improve the mindset itself to be more influenced. Like okay, I can be like this. Man, I can be better like that, because that's what happened to me. Like when I see someone like be more like good than me, I just get inspired. Like then, like how can he do that? How can she do that like that? So I think it's just like how we give a good example, especially for our friends in social media. We can do a lot of things. Just share a positive thing in your social media, so it can influence the people in
like,
your area.
to be role model.
Role model,
Yes.
personal branding itself. You can
yeah.
create like that in good personal branding. Like that.
Okay. Thank you. Nice. Okay. What about you, Anas? As a young generation, how can you influence people around you to be growth mindset?
Yeah, like I was telling before, that I agree that it's okay to be not growing your
Mm.
mindset,
Mhm,
right?
mhm.
So I'm not really capable to motivate people or make them understand that oh,
Mhm.
you should grow your mindset, even though I know that's
Mhm.
really good.
Mhm.
But and some people we cannot make people change,
Mhm.
something like that. But if I have a chance to motivate them or
Mhm.
find their grow mindset,
Mhm.
well, I just tell them, well, that's the wrong thing, kind of things like that, and you have a potential. You could be better. Kind
Yeah.
of all of my friends in here
Mm.
telling. So yeah, I think that's it. Critical thinking too.
Wow.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, I'm still actually waiting your statement, next statement, but okay, you stop it. Oh, come on. Okay, it's okay. Good job. Okay, what about you, Naila?
Well, to me, one of the ways that we can grow growth mindset is actually place to grow ourselves. For example, is our communities.
Mm-hmm.
And our communities is a really good place to grow ourselves, to constantly improve ourselves. For my case, this is the case for me.
Mm-hmm.
When I joined my community, I'm really different from now.
Oh,
Like I'm
yeah.
really afraid to to
Speak.
yeah
Speak
to
up.
speak up, and also to go out of my comfort zone.
So now
Yeah.
you are more confident
Yes.
after you, I was about to say, on air to radio.
Yeah. And it's really it's really different when you have a place like a people
Mhm.
that people that have the same goal to improve themselves. And
Mm.
also in the digital era, we're not like limited to people around us. We also have social media. We can find like-minded people there, and we can grow together, and we can share our
Oh.
knowledge together.
Oh
Yeah.
wow, that's great. Okay, my next question. Have you guys feel the moment or the position like you was ever feel like downgrade zone? Have you ever feel? Who's gonna be the first? Who's gonna be the first? Raise your hand. Okay. Okay. Have you ever feel?
Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
When and what things?
Especially like for English actually. I mean, I never
Okay.
practiced my English before, so I think I got decreased, especially for the speaking skill. So that's why I feel like I realize about my downgrade. So I think
Mhm.
I need to do something. So that's why I try to be more better for the community
You means you
itself.
feel like awkward when you're speaking?
Yeah, like that, like of vocabulary like this.
Okay.
Like, so that's why even in the company, like I stuck in this problem. So I think why I lately I can solve this problem in a speed up fast, but right now it's just like I get slow. So I think I need to find something mistake on myself. Why I get decreased? Because maybe I got mental block, or maybe I just my environment is not good enough. So I think first is we have to know about what is about ourselves. So if we don't have to be downgrade more and more if we know about ourselves. So
Yeah,
just
right.
know about yourself, guys. That's how we can be upgrade for
So
ourselves.
you
being
was
better.
ever feel like that?
Yes.
Okay, especially for your speaking.
Yeah, actually.
Okay, so today you are back. Right.
I hope so.
You are back. Okay, you are back, but you can also give me cashback. So kidding. Okay, what about you, Anas? Have you ever feel
Well,
downgrade?
well,
So-
yeah, of course. Every time.
Huh?
Not every time. But,
Okay.
sometimes.
Uh-huh.
And why I'm feeling that, I mean, it's okay.
Mhm.
I can upgrade that shit. I'm sorry.
Okay. Continue.
I can upgrade that things,
Mhm.
but okay, I forgot it. But yeah, I mean, some things like I learned like my English
Yes.
sometimes downgrade,
Uh-huh.
but of course my time is not about learning English.
Uh-huh.
I upgrade something like
Uh-uh.
other things. Like
What about love? It's
Ah.
downgrade also growth.
Oh.
Sorry, kidding. kidding. Okay, continue your statement.
The way I solve it is I understand that okay, it's okay to downgrade, but you have much time to upgrade yourself.
Mhm.
It's okay to be slow, of course, too.
Mhm.
the more things important things to do is understand your things, understand yourself, and upgrade what do you want. You upgrade what do you want to feel better and feel safe,
Oh yeah.
feel good too.
Okay.
At
And
least-
the most important is the evaluation.
of
right.
course, evaluation.
Okay. To
All
move on, to move up, yeah,
Yeah.
to be better.
All our friends in here say really right, really great too. I agree about that.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Okay, what about you, Naila? Nayla.
Well, for me, during COVID era, I think I lose
Ooh,
a lot
during
of
COVID.
during COVID era.
Adakah?
COVID
Oh, sorry. Oh my god.
COVID.
Oh my god.
and I
My
lose-
error. It sounds like COVID.
COVID,
Oh,
COVID.
okay. Thank you.
I'm not always the most extroverted person, but I think I used to be better at socializing with people.
You are not. You
yeah,
aren't. You are.
I used to be better at it.
Okay.
And I feel I was really quite disappointed at myself because when I have to go back to school, and I found myself being a bit more awkward to my friends. But they're like my friends since 10th grade. Why I feel so awkward around them?
Okay.
And also there's also with my study. I think it was allowed downgrade when COVID eras, COVID times. Yeah, that's my experience.
Okay. You know, it sounds like COVID. I imagine COVID. COVID. Sorry. Okay. What about you, Rara?
Well, for me, I think the case same with our brother before. Like,
Which one is your brother?
oh, brother, like he said. I think same with me. Like these days I'm downgrade with my English speaking. Like because fun fact, guys, I'm not from English major, so I'm from accounting and. Like I'm in the last
You have a lot
semester.
of money.
Yeah, no. People's money. I
Just
count.
say Amin.
I mean, yeah, I count their money. People. So I'm in the last semester, so I'm busy with my thesis. Like, so I didn't come to Max like around maybe 2 months. Like I didn't come to discussion. So you know, English is about habit, right? Like we need to practice to can speak
perfect.
well. Yeah, to speak well. But when I sometimes when I didn't come for like a long period, it's a little bit awkward for me to speak in English.
You eat red chili pepper?
What is that?
Cabe.
You know,
Because you feel like
what's that?
kidding. Continue. You still have?
Yeah,
You still have?
No,
Okay.
you know, I think.
Okay,
nah.
thank you. Okay, my next. Okay, guys, don't forget to prepare your conclusion, your final words, your idioms, your vocabularies. Okay. Mine. Are we still need a new question, or we move to the another's like a conclusion or what? Okay, maybe conclusion. Your conclusion, please. About our topic for this evening.
Okay, my conclusion about grow mindset is just like people have their own potential, guys. I mean, we have to need to find out what we can do in the better, what we can do in the future. So I think we need more thinking about ourselves, thinking about any people around us. So we have to think bigger and bigger because we can do a lot of things. We cannot do this if we don't think about the mindset itself. So I think we have to to grow our mindset and then thinking about in the future what we can do in the future. So I think we need a collaboration because how I can grow my mindset if we do like a collaboration in this area. So I think we need to do positive things to grow our mindset. Maybe that's it from me.
Okay, thank you. What about you? Your conclusion about our topic for this evening, growth mindset.
Well, guys, the conclusion from our discussion. So, guys, it's important for us to realize how important is it the growth mindset. So, we need to always put in our mind that we need to find our potential. Don't be afraid to try new things, or don't be afraid of failure or mistake, because failure and mistake can define you as a human being. So just keep it up, guys.
Keep it up.
Keep it up. Yeah.
Like fleet it up. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, your
Uh,
conclusion about our topic for this evening.
So growth mindset is a really big topic, and I'm really grateful that I can learn from other speakers.
Mhm.
And don't forget that failure is not the end, and always remember that you can always grow yourself to be better, and don't give up when you feel like block and you
Mhm.
cannot improve more. Don't give up. There is always be a way to improve yourself. Okay.
Mhm. We are still here. Don't give up. Okay. What about you, Anas? What is
Yeah.
your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
Well, my conclusion is, it's really great.
Mhm.
I find someone. I feel all of us.
You find someone special? Okay.
Yeah, understand their thought about this, and
Okay.
I really get. It's really good. Yeah, of course. We should make more grow, upgrade ourselves,
Mhm.
especially in this years right now, in this generation. We keep productive. We keep so fast.
Mhm.
So everything is so fast. So if you guys not fast enough to keep it up this generation, keep it up this years after years, you're just gonna be fall down or kind of things like that. So yeah, keep growing yourself.
Keep it up. Okay, thank you, Anas. Okay, who's gonna be want to have maybe like a new words collection about our topic for this evening? Do you have vocabularies? What about the idioms or wise word? Final words?
Not really.
What about you, Anas? Do you have new vocabularies? For the vocabularies relate our topic for this evening. Wise word, idioms, final words. Do you have Rara? Do you have vocabularies or wise word or idioms?
Maybe some vocabularies.
Yes.
Like
Translate to bahasa ya.
Okay.
Okay.
So the first is embracing challenge.
Indonesia.
Artinya itu menerima tantangan.
Oh wow.
And then resilient. That means daya tahan, ketahanan. Yeah. I think that's
After
all.
that, what about idioms? Do you have?
No.
Okay. Final words.
Final words. I think it's a great, it's a great change for me to be here.
Ooh, okay.
Like I learned a lot from all the speaker, especially it's interest topic for today, and I really enjoy to be here.
God bless you. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, what about you? Do you have like some information maybe about the announcement? Yeah, okay, please. The announce about the change. Yeah, the opportunity. Yeah, free information. Okay. Yes.
So it's still about growth mindset. Like everyone who have any mindset to have a scholarship or maybe want to like have university in outside, we have a class itself. We have in Mabicara community we have mentorship LPDP. So anyone who have any interest to have a scholarship, you can come to us. Just check on our Instagram. So my final word is like find your own potential. Like that.
Just check the Instagram
Yeah, check
DM.
our Instagram. Yeah,
Something
DM
like that.
or on
Direct
feed.
message.
On feed. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's for more detailed information
Yes,
about your
on
class.
Instagram.
Right. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming here in our second home in Smartfm. Yeah. Thank you, Anas, from PMIC for coming. Thank you, Naila from EUC. Yeah. Thank you, Rara from Max, and thank you, Gaza, yeah, Palestine. Sorry, from Bicara Community Polyglot. Wow, it's amazing, guys, to be here and share with you, guys. Thank you so much for your kind attention, and we meet each other for the next meeting. Okay, that's all our conversation, guys, smart viewers and listeners at home, about our topic, and the topic is growth mindset. And don't forget watching and listen. Yeah, of course, Smart Up Your Life English discussion with Smart FM and English community. So see you next week. Bye bye.